Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to make board private in monday.com. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser, search for monday.com and sign in your account. Okay? So once you've done that, you should see the list of boards right here at the left side of your screen. So if you don't see that, just go ahead and click on this arrow right here to open the navigation. Now select the board that you want to make private. So for example, this one board. Okay. So what you need to do is to click on these three little dots at the upper right side of your screen. Click on board settings and select change board type and click on change to private. Okay. So here, as you can see, private boards are visible only to subscribers. People who access this board without subscribing will no longer have access. Okay, so if you are sure about your action, just go ahead and click the change to board private. And now as you can see, there's this lock icon on my board. Okay, so that means that this board is now on private. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you on how to create a private board. Okay, so to do that, click on this plus sign, click on new board. Here, put the name of your board and select this private option right here. Okay, so for example, this is the 3 board. You can also select what you're managing in this board. Then click on create board. Okay, so that is how you make a board private in monday.com. Okay, so I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.